and I recognized him. I was like, hey, man, it's us. It's like, we're good. And he's like, what the fuck, Ninja? I was like, dude, did you hear that shit? He's like, yeah, that's why we're all jacked up right now. We heard the explosion in the circle, and now you come screeching around the corner, man. You almost got shot up, man. I was like, well, we're here, man. It's like, I got a duffel bag full of money for you and some mail and all that crap. He's like, get your ass in here.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Did you look at the Iraqi and say, well, what do you think of your first day?
Yeah. He ended up quitting, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll bet.